So when I first told my family that I wanted to go to Cambridge, they were all really shocked. None of them had really gone to Ross Group universities or known anyone that had been to Oxbridge. So it was a huge shock to hear that just like me, who'd gone to a local secondary school, wanted to try and apply for Cambridge. But that also meant they were really, really supportive. From the start, they were super encouraging. They offered help wherever they could. And they really just pushed me to go for it once they knew that it was what I really wanted. So I was told by a personal statement expert that I should have around 20 to 30 traditional books in my personal statement. And I thought if this is a university that really values your own academic pursuit, then there's no need for that. I put about 6 to 7 books in my personal statement. I put Korean music in there, Desperate Housewives, and I thought these are my interests, and if the university really values that, then they'll take that. I think a lot of the silent pressure comes from the fact that because Cambridge is so mythologized and put on such a raised platform, when you're applying to universities, there's a real tendency to think that Cambridge steers your application process, not that you can apply to Manchester as your authentic self, to King's London as your authentic self, but when you come here, you need to make some dramatic alteration to how you speak. I was told that I had to do my eyebrows and change my accent, which I did not do, or maybe the eyebrow. That was personal choice though. I think the way that you deal with the silent pressure, particularly in the gaps between deciding if you want to apply, between submission of your personal statement, between your interview, in all of the chats you have with everyone you meet in terms of what it's like to actually apply, is realizing that it's you applying. No one else is doing it for you, and the university is definitely not forcing you to do anything. When you click submit, you're doing it because you're showing them what you're interested in. When you're doing the personal statement, it's your chance to show this university why you deserve to be here and why you should be here. There's places here for a reason, and you should take them.